Stop guessing your trades. Let's analyze how to achieve consistent profits. Expert Option is an online trading platform for binary options. Predict whether the price of assets will go up or down. A correct prediction earns a fixed profit. A wrong one means a loss. My strategy is built on market structure, analysis, and discipline. Trust the process. Results will speak for themselves. This strategy is based on candlesticks, support and resistance, and RSI plus MACD. Step 1. Understand the chart. Each candle tells you who is stronger. Step 2. Mark support and resistance accurately. Step 3. Use RSI to identify overbought or oversold conditions. Join us and elevate your trading game now.
On how to download your expert option account onto create an account, and how to earn good profit trading expert option. So all you need to do is to go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Then after going to your Play Store, you click on search. In the search bar, you click on expert options. You search it. As you can see, I've already downloaded my own. So all you need to do is to install yours and open the app. Immediately it opens, this is the background page of the trading background page of the expert option. So all you need to do is to click on register. After clicking on register, you fill in your email address you would love to use. Then you choose your password. So after choosing your password, you click on create account. Okay. Click on create account. So after creating your expert option account, the next step for you to do is to deposit. Make your deposit so you can start trading. So to make your deposit, you need to click these three icons at the left bar of your phone, up by here, as you can see, close to your balance. You click it, then after clicking it, you click on profile. Then after clicking on profile, you click on document. So after clicking on document, all you need to click is to click on deposit here. As you can see now, you either choose, there are different payment methods here. You can decide to pay through bank transfer. You can decide to pay through USDT, TON, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. As you can see, you can also decide to use your Visa card, MasterCard, and your Square accounts. So here I'll be guiding how to use bank transfer. To use bank transfer to deposit, all you need to do is to click bank transfer here. Then you select the amount you would like to deposit. As you can see, the minimum deposit here is $10. Click it. You decide to go for $30 and get 20% bonus. As you can see, you go for $1,000, you get 30% bonus. So after clicking on the amount, let's try $100. Okay. After clicking in it, then you click on pay $100. Then all you need to do is to fill your names that you are making payment with your bank transfer. Fill your names. Make sure the name is the same name you are making the transfer from. Fill your name, then you click on continue. As you can see, you confirm your name, confirm your email. So the next thing to do is to proceed to payment. You wait for it to load. you can see the amount have come up and the bank account details. So as you can see, to make a payment, here's the amount: 136,337 naira. You convert $100 to naira. This is the amount in naira for $100 deposit. So as you can see, here's the amount. Here's the bank name VFD, then the account name TRU check out. Then here's the account number. So what you need to do, you need to copy your account number. You can see. Make sure you make the payment. You see the time counting here. Make sure you make the payment before the time elapses, before the time ends. So after copying your account number, then you go to your bank app and make the transfer. Immediately you make the transfer and you come back here and click I have paid. Immediately the money will reflect in your deposit account immediately. So before you place your trade, you select your assets here. You see this arrow here, you click it. You decide to select GBP/USDT, we have Euro/USDT, we have Euro CHF. We have different type of assets here, but we're going with Euro USD. You click it and you confirm. So now after you have made your deposit, the next thing is to start earning. Okay, so now you see this three icon here below here. You click it, then you click this, the second place here, this place. You click here, then you see the graph style. You make sure you set it to candlestick. Then make sure the time frame is 10 seconds. You can see it here. Then you click confirm. So now you're good to go. So now I'm going to set this auto cash out as, let's set it for, let's say 5 seconds. This auto cash out, you make sure you set it for 7 minutes. 7 minutes. So you can see, but 7 minutes is the preferable cash out. But now I'll just set it for just 5 seconds, so you can learn how it goes. So then here, investment amount, you select your amount. So now it's either you click on sell or buy. So let's see. Okay. Let's click on sell. As you can see, plus 370. As you can see, I just earned plus 370 here. So let's go again. Okay. Click on buy. Another 370 I just in. So now just make sure you go create your account and make your deposit. Let's make some real cash here. Please make sure you use my promo code and my invite code to register an account to get discount on your trading. Okay, thank you so much for watching.